everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Richa Mundra for all those who are new here, and I make videos on travel, beauty, lifestyle and so much more. So please hit that subscribe button right here. Follow me on Instagram, it would mean the world to me. Okay, so for this video I thought of doing like a perfume collection slash my favorite like 5 perfumes. So I don't have a lot of perfumes, but I have some, and this is how my collection looks. But I'm not gonna talk about everything because video बहुत लंबा हो जाएगा. So I'll be talking about my favorite 5 perfumes, and let me pick them out and let me talk about them. Okay, I have my 5 perfumes right here. They vary like from a mist to a perfume category. I am not a deo person. I don't wear deo, so I think all I use are perfumes, and these are perfumes from a normal budget category to a high-end perfume. So that is how the range is. So let me start with the miniest perfume that I have. This is Victoria's Secret का small mini size perfume, and this comes in a lot of variants. मैंने pick up किया था एक box which was about for 2500-3000 rupees from Singapore in at some discount. The whole bigger bottle retails for about 6k or something. Yep, 6k. And but this is lovely. This is smells amazing. It smells of apricot and juniper, and इसकी काफ़ी long lasting खुशबू है. It stays on for a very long time, for about 6-7 hours. So you're good to go and spritz it on, and you are sorted for the whole evening. So first love. The next perfume that I have is from Zara. This is their Zara's Red Vanilla. This is how the bottle looks. This is, I think, the bigger bottle because I loved Red Vanilla. It comes in like a red and black ka chota bottle. I'll insert a picture here, which retails for about 400-500 rupees. This one is the bigger bottle, which retails I think for about 1200 rupees. This perfume is a blessing, I must say. This is such a cool perfume. It smells of blackcurrant, and as the name suggests, red vanilla. It has a very sweet musky smell like in the end, so it stays on for a long time. Matlab, if I pour this perfume on my clothes, even after the wash, they do smell of the Zara perfume. That is why I love Zara perfumes. They're affordable. Yep, this is affordable. The smaller one, I think of 30 ml, retails for 400 or 500 rupees, which is really good for a long lasting perfume. And yep, this smells so good. This smells really nicely. I have received so many compliments with this one. So if you're looking for a budget friendly perfume, long lasting, I think you should try this one. The next one that I'm gonna talk about is a mist from Bath and Body Works. This is their 1000 Wishes mist, and one thing that I need to tell you about this product is that ये product ख़त्म नहीं होता है. मतलब I have been spraying this for about a month now, like one spritz every day, and look at how much this is gone. Not even kidding. मैंने बीच में कुछ और लगाया होगा, but this has been my regular. But it doesn't go like, it goes a long way, and it is expensive. It's for 1200, but Bath and Body Works में हमेशा offers चलते रहते हैं. Buy 2 get 1 free, buy 1 get 1 free, and so many on Myntra, Nykaa, etc. So if you want to get hands on this, you should get. This is their 236 ml का perfume, and sorry, not perfume, the mist, and it stays long when you layer it up with the 1000 wishes का पूरा रेंज, like the body cream, the body wash, etc. तो it उसके साथ ये बहुत ही अच्छे से टिकता है. Otherwise it stays on for like 2-3 hours, but not more than that. But beyond, अगर आप पूरा रेंज यूज़ करते हो तो वो खुशबू बहुत देर तक टिकती है, and that is why I use this. Okay, coming to how does it smell. It smells very festive. I can't describe, but it has a sweet smell to it. So if you're not someone who likes sweet smell, there are like other Bath and Body Works ke perfumes that you can use, but this one definitely has like a sweet smell to it. But yeah, I like this one. The other ones that I have and I like are one is this is the Bath and Body Works In the Stars. This is a very a little, I feel like a masculine smell to it. I don't know how to describe the smell, but that is how this one is. And then I think this one is the new range. This is the Forever Red. This again has a very sweet floral smell to it, so I like it, but I think Thousand Wishes is something that I swear by. It's the best mist, and I think इसके छोटे रेंजेस भी आता है. So if you wanna try a mist from Bath and Body Works, try the travel friendly sizes ताकि when you invest in a bigger bottle, you know that you like the fragrance. The next perfume that I'm gonna be talking about is this little baby here. It's not so little, but this is the Elizabeth Arden's Fifth Avenue. Actually, someone gifted it to me. I don't remember who, but I've been using it. I've not used it like really very intensely because I mostly stick to my Zara perfume, but this one I've used and it smells of vanilla, sandalwood, jasmine, and so a little mix towards a very musky smell versus a very floral smell, but it's really nice. This one is, I don't remember how much ml this is. This is 125 ml and it's for about 5k, so this is a little on the expensive side, but you have the chota 30 ml ka size also. And look at this bottle is really fancy, and I like perfumes with fancy bottles. I'm just playing with it now, but yeah, this has a long lasting smell. ये तो पक्का ऐसा 4-5 घंटे से ज़्यादा चलता है, and that is what I like about it. So this is usually, you know, when I'm wearing like traditional, this is the perfume I go for. I don't know why, but it mixes like really nicely with traditional attires. The last but not the least is this little baby right here. Let's take a moment and appreciate the packaging of this. This is the Carolina Herrera's Good Girl. I know everyone must have eye on this perfume, and this is what my sister gifted me on my birthday this year. This smells amazing. It has a floral smell to it. I was not into a lot of floral smell, but I think I realized that I am into not very sweet florally smells, but like good floral smells, and this is a day and night perfume, and I am very sure if you wear it, you're gonna receive so many compliments. Like I have received so many compliments. But yeah, this is tad bit expensive. I don't exactly remember the price. Let me just check. So the price of this for the 80 ml is about 8k, which is quite expensive. But if someone's coming down from States or somewhere, there this perfume is little less costly, but it's worth it. One, the bottle looks so sexy, and second, it smells amazing. It has that perfect sexy smell to it. I don't know. I don't know how to explain that, but it smells amazing, and I'm definitely sure you're gonna get a lot of compliments when you buy this one and wear this one. So yeah, that was it for my favorite perfumes. What are your favorite perfumes? And if you want me to try some of the perfumes, please mention them in the comments below. I'm definitely gonna purchase some and try. I think the one on my list right now is the Scandal. I'll insert a picture there. That is how it is in my like list to buy and try perfumes. But if there's something that you want me to try, or if there's something that you want me to share a list of top 5, please mention in the comments below, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.